Welcome to Lifestyle Balance. In this episode, we leave Malaysia behind us. We cross the very busy Malacca Straits toward the east coast of Sumatra. We then round the top of Sumatra through what they call the Cut. It's a very narrow strip of water between a landmass and an island. Lots of current, lots of action there. On the west coast, we move further south to a fisherman's village. Join us on this adventure as we make our way towards Simeulue Island. Okay, we've run out of wind. We're now under motors. We had a good run today. A lot of miles. We're now 152 nautical miles off Sumatra coast. Coming into sunset, and we're heading toward the shipping lanes. Tomorrow about 5 a.m. we should see our first ships. But there's nothing out here except for water. We were pleasantly surprised to see a pod of pilot whales, which did a few performances for us, standing on their heads and waving their tails at us. Of course, we did wave back. Into the shipping lanes. Got a few of these. We've already passed a few in the night. Otherwise it gets really busy from here. We've got 44 boats around us, or ships. So we've got to get through the shipping lanes and on to Sumatra by dusk. 51 targets now. Here in the Malacca Straits, we are travelling from east to west. The shipping lanes are going from north to south. In both directions we have ships, cargo ships, very big cargo ships, and we're actually the chicken crossing the road. Little friends to come visit. We're 50 miles offshore, and they've come to say hello or try and get something off us as usual. Arrived in Sumatra. On the east side of Sumatra, but look at this view. There's a volcano
there. Ready when you are. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning and welcome to Lifestyle Balance. This morning we're heading toward the northern tip of Sumatra. We left Langkawi yesterday, 40 hours ago. A little bit of lack of sleep there. We've come to the east side of Sumatra and we've got 9 miles to the tip. Round the top we'll go, down the other side to the western side to do a bit of surfing on the west islands. Our conditions are very light winds. We chose this window because it can be extremely windy at the top end here. Better than pushing into 30 to 40 knots around the top. We've got like 5 knots, which is a lot easier. Anyway, enjoy the journey and on we go. We are now moving across the top of Sumatra, and in the background is Banda Aceh, a city that was devastated in December 2004 by a large tsunami. Up ahead is the Cut, a gap between the mainland and an island that we push through to get to the other side and go down the west coast. Welcome to the Cut. Getting the timing right here is sometimes a little bit tricky. It does flow both ways and it can flow up to 7 knots. Today we're just going to push on through to the other side against the current. That's behind us, but we just missed that log and we got down to 1 knot through there. There's a lot of rubbish in the water. If you lose a prop or get rope or something tangled around it, I'm afraid it's game over, and there you either get swept back out or up on the rocks. Not the best. We're now moving along the cliff where the current is less. fisherman boat just coming up behind us. Fairly typical of Indonesians. They seem to be want to be very close. So I'm going to get on the helm, take her off autopilot.
He is approaching the boat.
Got one for a look. It's fairly typical. Nice and comfortable. Good design boat. After moving 15 nautical miles south from the top of Sumatra, we enter one of our favourite bays. It's a fisherman's village, it's very calm, and we always have a good night's sleep here.
Todd, why they towing that boat?
It's actually a fishing raft that they lower nets down from it. So they tow it out, tow it back in the morning. And what we'll do, we'll go ashore and have a look at their catch. Likes that one. Plenty of fish there.
Yeah.
These fishing rafts are towed out at night, and they have these large booms that they lower nets down into the water. They then use lights to attract the fish and then scoop the fish up with the nets. They take them to the market in the morning, and we now move south along the Sumatran coast to another bay. Well, it's day 7, it's 21st of June 2021. We are sailing now from the coast of Sumatra, the mainland, to an island called Simeulue. Let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday we motored for 38 nautical miles into a light southeasterly wind. Not ideal, but we anchored to the nearest point to this island from the mainland, so the shortest distance between two places. Looking at 66 nautical miles, we've got a good southeasterly here at the moment, 9 to 10 knots of breeze. We're doing 7 to 8 knots, high 7s, low 8s, and we should be there at Simeulue, the northern tip, by this evening before last light. So everything is quite comfortable, everything is good. Time before the storm hits. Oh, what fun.
See through the window.
We're definitely going to get wet.
Yes.
Anyway, all sails are down. Yeah. Anyway, all sails are down. And we're under motors. Gone is the 8 to 9 knots that we were doing. And we're 30 miles out from Simeulue Island. Fun and games. Cheers. That would be ideal, that bay, but unfortunately it's reef strewn. This here is picking up a little bit of swell as well. choppy, uncomfortable, exposed to the next front that's coming through. Okay. Done plan A, we've done plan B. We don't really have a plan C. That's the problem.
Plan
Anyway.
E, easy.
I think we'll have to go for plan R, a little bit of rolling. No surf here, wind is onshore. What to do? Find a comfortable anchorage as best we can. Play Monopoly, snakes and ladders. Oh, that's not good. The real McCoy. Okay, you want a log, captain's log, star date today? Don't even know what day it is. Anyway, heading down the coast of Simeulue on the west side. We've got really good conditions. A little bit confused sea state. Otherwise, we're getting along at 8 knots, heading toward the bottom end of Simeulue, and hopefully a nice anchorage there. Today is a good day for sailing. Yesterday, a little bit stormy. We sat it out in a nice bay, very comfortable. Other than that, everything is good. Due to COVID, I haven't been on my surfboard for over 1.5 years, so I'm trying to get a little bit of paddle fitness, so round the boat we go. As we leave Simeulue Island, a beautiful day dawns. We continue to move south. Join us on the next episode and discover our destination. If you enjoy our videos, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Also, click the like button and share this video with your friends. Hit the notification bell to receive the latest Lifestyle Balance episodes. Thank you again for sharing your time with us, and we hope you have a wonderful day.